Good afternoon, everybody. Today I am going to teach you contractions. Okay. Now I want to tell about what's I mean by contractions. The short words am, she's, your, they'll are called contractions. Okay. A contraction is a short way of writing two words together. He plus will, he'll. Okay, then we have out some sounds or letters in a contraction. He, ill. An apostrophe is a punctuation mark used in contractions. He, ill. Okay, so contractions means short way of writing. Okay, a contraction is a short way of writing two words together. Now I'll tell you. Read this playful conversation between Ricky and Nikki. Nikki is used the short form of the underlined words used by Ricky. Okay. Now listen here. I am coming to play with you. So I am coming to play with you. The short form of writing I they leave out a from this word. Okay va. So I apostrophe m. Okay va. We leave out some sounds or letters in the contractions. Okay va. So I apostrophe m. A leave out from this word. Okay va. I am coming to play with you. Okay. You're getting very naughty. Say, second one is you apostrophe re. How do we read? Your. Okay va. Here there is no sounds of letter in a contraction. Okay va. We leave out some sounds or letters in a contraction. Okay va. They leave out a. Okay va. So the remaining letters are they wrote it here. Your. Okay va. Your. We use an apostrophe is a punctuation mark used in contractions. Okay va. So you're getting very naughty. Then I am upset with you. So I am. The full form they wrote it here. So how do we write and read from contraction? So we leave out some sounds or letters in a contraction. Okay va. Am upset with you. They leave out a. Okay va. O. I apostrophe m. Okay va. Am upset with you. Read aloud and tick the boxes with words that are in short form. One has been done for you. Okay va. He is. They leave out from this word. They leave out some sounds or letters in a contraction. Okay va. He is, his. Okay. You will. They have. They are. She'll. They have. She will. It's. We are. You will. Then I have. This is I have. I have. We have. They are. It is. Okay va. These are also contraction. Listen here. Join each set of words and write contractions. Replace the letter or letters in blue with an apostrophe. See the examples. He plus his. He apostrophe s. Okay va. we leave out some sounds or letters in a contraction. Okay va? They leave out I from this word. Okay va? She plus is she's. They leave out I from this word. Okay. They plus are they are. Okay va? They leave out are from this words. We plus are we are. Okay va? Are they leave out from this word. I plus am a leave out. They leave out a from this word. Okay va? Am. She plus will she'll. Okay va? They leave out wi. Okay va? From this word. So how do we read? She'll. I plus will I'll. It plus is its. They leave out some sounds or letters in a contraction. Okay va? You plus are your. They leave out a from this word. Okay va? Then you plus will you will. Okay, they leave out wi from this word. Okay va? So how do we read? You will. Then he plus as his. Don't say so. Es. Okay va? She plus as she's. They leave out ha from this word. They leave out ha. Okay va? So they plus have they have. Okay va? They've. We plus have we've. I plus have I have. He plus will he'll. They leave out two letters from this word. Okay va? They leave out some sounds or letters in a contraction. They plus will they'll. They leave out two letters from this word. They leave out some sounds or letters in a contraction. It plus will it'll. They leave out two letters. Okay va? wi. So how do we read? It'll, they'll, he'll. Okay va? Now listen here. You plus have you have. Okay va? So they leave out two letters ha. So you have. Then we plus will we'll. They leave out two letters. Okay va? An apostrophe is a punctuation mark used in contractions. Okay va? We'll, it'll, they'll, he'll. Okay va? Then here you will, I'll, she'll. So these are also what? Contractions. Okay va? All those things contractions. Now listen here. Bubble the correct contraction from the given options. Okay va? My parents are not at home. So my parents are not at home. Here there are two options they are given. So which one is correct? You find out and say. Look at the picture and find out and say. So they are, they have. So two answers they are given. Which one is correct answer? They have is a correct answer. My parents are not at home. They have gone to the market. Okay va? Then Ramya works with a television company. Okay. Dash a reporter. She's, she'll. Which one is the correct answer? She's is the correct answer. Okay. The remaining sentences they are given. I want to show the remaining sentences. You find out and write. Practice well at home, children. So I hope you have understood it nicely. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. All the best. Bye.